hungry arms.
All right, welcome everyone. We are now in Wharton, Texas. This morning we did some distribution of food and we served cars from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. 4 hours straight. Cars kept coming in a constant stream, so it was quite a few people who we actually served. There's Carl Taylor. Want to say hi to everyone on Facebook?
Hey,
Diane?
nice to see you.
And we sent over 100,000 meals out here through the donations of all the generous Kyani members. And I just want you guys to know I want you to see it visually. Now that we're out here, we really see how bad it really was. And this is the reality. And I just want you guys to know that for those of you that donated, kind of what your money went to. The mosquitoes are bad. Yeah.
I just want to show you a little bit of what these people are dealing with. Some of the devastation that we've seen just walking through the streets. Right now we're walking through, we're distributing goods. In fact, I'll turn around. We've got trucks over here. We've got a van and 2 trucks full of goods. We got people carrying goods. There's Mr. Pennington. We got all kinds of people here. So we're here trying to help in any way possible. We're just asking people what they need. We're delivering food. We're delivering water. We just moved out a shed that was flooded. You can see we've got people down the street. Those are Kyani carrying hand shirts. We're walking up and down the streets. Mr. Rocky Bose in his truck. It's a sad sight to see, but we're happy that we were able to at least provide some sort of relief.
Yeah, my heart is full of you.
Hungry arms. Why the hungry arms? Give me all the love I need.
After a while, found the fire, and I knew that you were wild. I think that the time is now. I think that the time is now. So please don't knock over my heart, 'cause my heart is full of you. Yeah, my heart is full of you. And don't worry about tomorrow, 'cause my heart is full of you. Yeah, my heart